Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Ramadan day 2, so it is Jumma'ah wa Ramadan Mubarak. Ramadan Mubarak, Jumma'ah Mubarak. This is the first Friday of Ramadan. Ends the whole full regalia for Friday. Friday outfit. You know, as Muslims we are encouraged to like look our best every Friday. I mean, look our best always, but Fridays are always very, very special. So yeah, I'm all set. I'm wearing lace today. This dry lace I've had for so long, but I've never worn it. I decided to wear it today. I came downstairs to pick up this camera and decided to like start this vlog here. I've been lazing around. I've been lazing around. I have a cough. I have dry cough that is disturbing me so bad. But yeah, it's almost time to go pick the kids up from school, but I need to do some things before I leave the house. So let's go upstairs to the filming room. Hey guys, I have switched off my hair tie. I'm back home. I went to pick the kids and Kairia is here with me. Kairia is actually fasting today. Yeah, say hi. So how are you feeling?
Great.
Great. Okay, so we want to
Mark out my Ramadan Kareem planning book.
yeah, so she has this.
Oh, you also have one.
Yeah, I have my Ramadan planner. I actually did not fill it up yesterday. So she just, because she's fasting and she's done one act of kindness, she has a candy from school that she gave to her brother. So she was like, is that an act of kindness? I was like, yeah, that is an act of kindness. There's reward for it. So she said she wants to come and fill it up. So you see, give an unexpected gift. So you did that. So yeah, so you can call a friend, you can read Quran with tafsir, you can give salam to one another, you can donate books. So
help
to do
sick people.
so to do and not to do, you see, well, these are the things to do. Quran reading, sabar. Do you know what sabar means? Patience. So say sabar.
Trusting Allah. Kindness, more dua, more salah.
Gentle with senior.
Gentleness.
Okay, so go and perform wudu so that you can pray your zuhur prayer. Okay, so you have to do more salat, remember?
Yeah.
So go and pray your zuhur prayer. But there is more to your planner though. Come and see. So Ramadan day 2, you need to put the date, tick it, you prayed Fajr, you pray zuhur. But go and pray first, then you come and sit down and do this, okay?
Right.
Oh, okay.
Date.
So I want her to, today is March 24th.
This is how we do in the class.
Okay. So you prayed Fajr, tick it up.
But not Dhuhr?
Zuhur, you've not prayed Zuhur, so
Okay.
you go pray.
So Fajr prayer, what do I do?
So what is your today's goal? What's your today's goal?
To trust my family and Allah.
To trust Allah is your goal?
Uh-huh.
MashaAllah. So, okay, write it. These children are thinking, that is deep. To trust Allah is her goal. MashaAllah. Well, that is a good. Trust is T, not here is T. Allah.
Oops. To trust Allah. I have to write down here.
And make more salat, okay?
Okay.
Allah is.
You can write.
You can write it big,
Oh.
A-L.
A-L-L.
L.
L-A-H.
Yeah.
And is this time?
No, you don't have to. Don't worry about it. And so so when you say you trust Allah, you trust Him because you believe that He's the reason why you can fast all day today.
Yeah.
So you believe He can give you the strength to fast today.
Even love Him.
MashaAllah. Okay, so now your second goal is to pray more, right?
Yeah.
So go and perform your zuhur prayer. Then when you perform your zuhur prayer, you come and click ticket.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I do Asr, Margaret, Isha, and
Taraweeh.
what? Tarawih.
Taraweeh. Okay, you will learn about Taraweeh when it's time. Okay.
Okay.
So I've asked her to go and pray. This cough wants to do a number on me. I'm looking like one kind of madam but this madam here does not have money. So I did not start filling my own planner yesterday. I totally forgot about it. So I want to come and do. This journal belongs to Jamila. And go and pray. You know, it's 4 raka'ah. Okay.
Is it done?
So this one has my verses of the day, surah, ayat to what ayat. Yesterday's my surah was from Fatiha and Baqarah. I started from ayah 1 and I stopped at I think I stopped last night at ayah 157 of Surah Al-Baqarah.
For today, I'm gonna learn a new surah from one page behind my other surahs. One of the
Surah Al-Kafirun?
Yeah.
Kuliya Al-Kafirun?
Yeah.
You want to learn that today?
Mm-hmm.
You can ask Allah for anything, okay? Nothing is too big. You can ask Him for anything and you keep it to you. Then when you pray, you ask Allah from it, okay?
Okay. Like when I do my dua, I ask Him.
Mm-hmm.
Like I see those in Muslim videos that I watch sometimes.
Mm-hmm. So I'm also going, while she's filling hers up, I'm also going to fill mine up as well. So who is your sister that you want Allah to take care of?
I forgot her name.
Oh my goodness, this girl wants to make me cry. Oh my goodness, subhanallah.
I want her to take care of my...
Okay. All right. So, oh my goodness, I'm going to, let me give you guys a back talk. So if you guys are on this channel long, you would know that Khairiyah is my first child, and she just wrote on her dua of the day that she prays to Allah to take care of my sister and what?
Also to use my dua for Allah.
That is her dua for today. I mean, this is something I wasn't expecting. That I didn't see that coming. And I remember we were in Saudi Arabia and she did the same thing. She was like, the moment she sighted Kaaba, and I was like, we need to pray, and she was like, can she pray for her sister? And I'm like, oh my goodness.
And then you started to cry?
And I started to cry. Her own planner seems more fun than my own. Her own has like food planning and...
Really?
Yeah, look at it now. Your food. What did you eat, Suhoor? Chicken nuggets.
I did not know how to spell nuggets.
N-U-G-G.
N-U-G-G-E-T-S. Nuggets.
Do you know what you're going to eat for Iftar? I'm going to make rice and stew.
Oh yeah, I was thinking of that.
So today we are going to eat. I'm not going to bring you guys along for food shop, but I've already brought out turkey to Tor. I want to make peppered turkey. Then white rice. I have stew, so I'm going to make stew and salads, and also for small chops for starters we are going to have fish pie, the fried fish pie or the prawn rolls. I've not decided yet which one. I want to come and recite my Quran. I've not recited for Zuhur prayer, so I'm going to recite for Zuhur. I'm going to just recite till it's almost Zuhur. Oh my goodness, I need to actually edit a video. Well, my laptop is upstairs. Khairiyah, can you go get my laptop charger from downstairs for me?
Sure. Yes.
So I'm going to recite the Quran before I actually start editing the video. The video is not much, so it's just a DIY video that I need to put out. When they say male children are very different from female children, I've learned that the hard way. But the thing is that my brothers are nothing like him. My brothers were chilled, were calm, somehow. But this one, yesterday I heard him and his dad talking about how he wet his carpet in his room. And he was like, well, it was a mistake. The dad is like, everything is a mistake with you. Hey guys, so update. I just finished uploading a video. This cough thing really wants to get to me, but it is time for Asr prayer, so I'm going to pray Asr. And I need to take my laptop downstairs because we're going to do an unboxing. Exciting. I have something I want to share with you guys. We're going to do an unboxing and a quick review. Then we will, what again? Yeah, I'll continue editing a video for tomorrow, inshallah. So I need to check my vault to see what I have before I fall down. To see what I have, and I have a lot of contents, backlogs. So those are the contents I intend to be rolling out for this whole daily vlog thing for Ramadan. Khaira is still hanging in there. I am surprised. This girl is surprising us. I was thinking that she'll come back home and be like, oh, I'm dying, I want to break this fast. But no, she's still doing it. Her dad saw her when he got back from the masjid and he was like, is she still fasting? I said yes. And he's like, him too, he's surprised. And you know, he was like, she's so energetic, she's so happy, she's so excited, and that is the spirit. So the dad is like, she should come and give him some of her energy because he was already tired, because I mean he works, so he was already tired. But they are not at home now, they've gone for swim practice, and I'm just going to quickly go downstairs and I'm going to pray. I'm going to pack all my load and go downstairs. Hey guys, so I ordered the new K perfumes. No, the new K perfume for myself and a client. So we've been waiting for it. It launched on the 21st of March. It is the Yum Pistachio Gelato perfume 33. So yeah, this one, the notes are pistachio gelato, hazelnut, sweet rum, whipped cream, marshmallow, and cotton candy. I'm going to be saving the big one for Instagram unboxing. So let's do this one. Let's do the travel size. I got the travel size. This is a blind buy. I have not God, my throat. I have not smelt it. I don't know what it smells like, but I'm positive that it is going to be good. It is Keali. They never disappoint. So even when reviews are telling you, oh, don't buy, do not buy, do not buy, just like their last launch, I read a lot of review that kind of almost discouraged me. But when I got that perfume and I tried it, I knew that okay, it was for me. So I went on to buy the big size. So this time around, I just bought both the travel size and the 50 ml. The 50 ml is $100. The travel size is $25. It comes in 100 ml as well, which is $130 something. I'm going to link it in the description box. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please go to follow me. I'm going to be unboxing. I want to do ASMR style unboxing, so I'm going to be doing that here. I was about to say that there is no smell on the bottle, like I can't smell anything, but you're going to smell everything. You are going to smell everything. Oops. So I always share this tip. I need to hurry up to stop talking because this throat is not easing up. But I always share something on this channel. Perfume will always go with your body's natural oil. So chances are that someone else will use the same perfume and not like it, or it won't smell too nice. It is not, it shouldn't be a telling for you. Try it on your own before you listen to what somebody else is going to say. Because so this one, it has dried down, and immediately there is the smell. I don't know what I'm smelling, but there is that sweet candy smell that comes off, that you can smell immediately. I've taken in 3 breaths, just smelling it like this. And every breath is giving me different smell. That is the strange thing. Every breath that I take in smells different, and it is sweet. I never knew pistachio has a smell other than, I mean, I eat pistachio and I don't know the kind of smell it has. It doesn't smell, it smells like food, but for it to be in a perfume, it's definitely unique, it's definitely different. Then the sweet rum is not harsh at all. But in the vanilla royale, you can actually smell the rum in it, and that is the first thing that hits you. Then I don't know what marshmallow smells like. I don't take marshmallow. I don't think I've ever eaten it. I don't know what it smells like, but I can't say if I can smell it. But I definitely know that all the note here have made a very, very beautiful perfume. It is that the kind of smell, the kind of scent it has is that bright, that kind of scent that will brighten your mood and make you excited and make you feel like a child and make you feel like a girl, immediately. Like, it's just a very happy, sweet scent that I'm smelling. Can't wait to unbox it. So guys, I need to stop talking. I need to end this vlog here. My my chest is burning. This cough really wants to hit me bad. So, and unfortunately, I am fasting. It is not the kind of sickness that will warrant me to go and start breaking my fast now. I'm not there yet. But as soon as I break my fast, I'm going to get up on medication, because I don't want to miss my fasting. I don't want to be sick. And once I start having inflammations like this, or inflammatory symptoms like this that is coming as a cough or common cold or this thing, it is not good. So I need to take a break from talking. Maybe I've been talking too much. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.